Hi, my name's Erika Wolf. I'm an instructor at the Crescent School of Gaming and Bartending in Las Vegas, Nevada. In today's video, we are going to be talking about mucking. Mucking is a technique that dealers use to assemble chips in stacks of 20 in an efficient way. So this will probably be easier to understand from a dealer's perspective. So we're going to take the camera and we're going to put you in a first-person view. So here we have some chips all laid out. Whenever you have a pile like this, the first thing you're going to want to do is flatten it out so that it's going to be easier for you to do the mucking procedure. First thing is thumb and pointer finger, all right? These are gonna be your best friends. You're gonna wanna be able to do this with both hands. So thumb pushes on the chip and you see it creates a little bit of a lift. Then you're gonna get your pointer finger to pick it up the rest of the way, using your thumb to stick it into your palm. Then you're able to close your hand again to be able to do the procedure again. Only thing is, I showed you this way so that you can see it better. But you must keep your hands face down. So let's try this again. Here we have these two. We're going to push down with our thumb, pointer finger, thumb brings it here. This time, keeping my hands down. So thumb, thumb, pointer finger, and up to palm. So you see the thumbs bring it here. Then you're ready to use your pinchers again. So it's going to be thumb, pointer finger, palm. Right? And you want to keep doing that. Once you feel like you got enough in your hand, you're going to put it together and you want to run one down to make sure that it's a stack of 20. Of course, with practice, you're going to be able to just feel 20. But this one right here is your proven stack, and you can go ahead and start mucking up the rest of your chips. And you can start measuring it off of your one stack of 20. So just go ahead and muck as fast as you can. Line it up. As you can see, it was one over. Then I'm going to start working a little bit of blue, just to show you how to kind of like get in there and create another stack for a different color. The goal here is to be fast, to be able to keep up with your table when you have a full game. When it comes to the technicalities of doing this, a lot of people are having a hard time understanding it, so we're going to have an example of Byron and I mucking. If you prefer in-person hands-on lessons, please check out the Crescent School of Gaming and Bartending. They offer financial aid, and if approved, you can get all games for free. Now my question to you is, what's your favorite number on roulette? Let us know in the comments below. See you in the next one.